Good afternoon. Now my presentation is called Dynamic Data Mining Using Multi-Agent. Now I'm the presenter of this research, and there are two others, Professor A.S. Karunananda and Mr. ADAI Gunasekara. Here is the overview of my presentation, and I will go through these phases in my presentation. Introduction. In data clustering, it's the main unsupervised machine learning technique we use in today's world. There are two types of clustering algorithms: hierarchical clustering and partial clustering. Most of scientific and industrial applications continuously generate data in massive scales, but to make this data useful, we need to have a proper way, and we are currently using data mining for that. To take much useful decisions, to make decisions that are useful to us. Most of the problem is most of the clustering algorithms assume that the underlying clustering structure is a fixed one throughout the process, but it is not. To get more accurate data results, we have to keep the underlying clustering structure also dynamic to get a precise result. Those algorithms fail to identify underlying cluster structures in existing large-scale dynamic data sources efficiently. In order to address the new requirement of real-time information extraction using data mining, we have to extend the boundaries of current data mining. Aim is to implement multi-agent, and by using multi-agent we can make this data mining more efficient, and we can extract useful information out of that. Objective is to like here we will be studying multi-agent systems and how to implement, and this multi-agent system is I'm supposed to use is J, and we are trying here to replace algorithms traditionally we use in data mining with multi-agent systems, and I think we think that by interaction and negotiation between cluster agents and data records agent, the identified cluster configuration is continuously improved according to the internal cluster evaluation measures we give. This process is going throughout the whole process. Successful identifies the clusters in those datasets with minimal human intervention, providing accurate results to evaluate the system using real-world data. Includes pre-processed data. I'm more concerned about the process involving the multi-agent system. Functional requirements will be efficient real-time communication between various agents, communication between cluster agents and data agents, creating cluster agents through negotiation and communication. That is a main feature of multi-agent systems, allocating data agents to suitable clusters. Technical requirements, as I mentioned before, I'm intending on, I'm doing this currently ongoing project using J, and data pre-processing can be done by using Rekha. Hypothesis is more, as I mentioned before, most of the data mining algorithms have a fixed underlying cluster, but to take efficient and real-time data, and from that to extract data, to extract decisions, rightful decisions, we have to make it dynamically accordingly. Existing these systems, there are no current system dynamic data mining using multi-agent systems, but there are distributed systems using multi-agent systems. But there are two researches that are done on this topic, dynamic data mining using multi-agent system, one done by DMB engineer and the other done by George research guy. For example, what we are going to do here is like what DB scan algorithm is doing currently. It is a dynamic algorithm, but we think that by using multi-agent system through our negotiation, we can make this far more efficient. There are researches done for the topic of distributed data mining, as I mentioned, agent, but not many for the topic dynamic data mining using multi-agent systems. Here are the main researches done in this area. The first one is the main resource I was my research is influenced. And design proposed solution mainly consists of two parts: the multi-agent environment and the data retrieval component.